what's up people, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing good. This is Gufran and you're watching the Indian Grad in Germany. So guys, today's video is not related to some application process or not related to some podcast. Today's video is related to an event. The event is coming this Saturday. If you have any startup idea, then I think this event is for you all. So together with Red Bull and in collaboration with Mindspace Munich, there's a free online entrepreneurship workshop as a part of Red Bull Basement Global Competition. So I hope you like this event, this workshop. The aim of this workshop is that you have to prepare a 1-minute video pitch for the Red Bull Basement Global Competition. So you can attend the workshop on 24th October 2020 and you can prepare your pitch over there in the workshop. The deadline for the global competition event is on 25th October. You can check the deadlines. I'll provide you the link below in the YouTube description. You can also check out the application page where you can join the workshop and you can interact with people over there. So what you will get in this workshop is you will connect with new people, you will do networking, which is very important, I would say. That is one point. You will share new ideas, you will develop new ideas. That is the second point. And yeah, at the last, the most important point is you will get motivated, inspired. This is the event for you all. I would highly request you to join this workshop, which is coming forward in this week. So you can join the online launchpad workshop that is on 24th October. And to talk about the global competition, the last date for the global competition is 25th October. You must be having that question that who all can join for this workshop. So you don't have to be an entrepreneur, you don't have to be an innovator to join this workshop. So everyone is invited. You can check out how the event will be carried out below there in the link. Put the link in the description below there. You can check out how the workshop will be carried out. Another thing that is most important is just keep the deadlines in your mind. Another thing about the workshop is the workshop is free. It is cost and loss. So you don't have to pay anything. You can register easily. The link is there in the description. You can register, check out the workshop. I would highly recommend you to join this workshop. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.